I just wanna make it last.
2023 Yamaha MT07 announced. After Yamaha MT125 announced at the same day, Yamaha Motor in Europe reveal new MT07 model 2023, that very beautiful motorcycles.
Sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.
Yamaha MT07 makes upgrade quick shifter mode and smartphone color meter adopted for Europe. I think Yamaha, you will want to know about the specific for this model before you buy. Okay.
Of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Powerful 689cc, fuel tank capacity 14 liters, DOHC 4 valve, water cool, 4-stroke, parallel 2 cylinders, seat height 805 mm, vehicle weight 184 kilograms. So make more this motorcycle comfortable, easy to riding. Okay, how do you think? Do you have plan to buy this product? How many unit? Yes, after watch this video I think you will more satisfied for Yamaha MT07 model 2023. Please subscribe my channel to get new motorcycle first and click the bell. Like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching.